Good morning children, welcome back to our next maths class. We already had started learning chapter 2, that is factors and multiples. And now further we shall learn prime factorization, prime factor and concept of HCF and LCM. And in this module we will be learning only prime factorization and prime factors. What is meant by prime factorization? First, let us see what are prime factors. A factor of a given number is called a prime factor if this factor is a prime number. A factor of a, you know already what are factors. We learned if 2 and 3 are factors of 6, 2 and 3 are factors of 12. So, a factor of a given number is called a prime factor if this factor is a prime number. I hope you remember what are prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which has only two factors, that is 1 and itself. That is 1 and itself. So here example we have 2 and 3 are prime factors of 12. 12 has many other factors. 12 has 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are all factors of 12. But we can say 2 and 3 are prime factors of 12. 4, 6, 12, 1 and all is not prime number. So here 2 and 3 are prime factors of 12 since they are prime numbers. I hope you are able to understand. Now we shall learn prime factorization. To express a given number as a product of prime factors is called prime factorization. Now, if any, for example, if we have any composite number, we have 12. Let us take a small number, that is 12. So, what will be the prime factors? So, factorization means we are expressing the given number as the product of prime factors. So, we have to only find out the prime factors of these 12 and their product should be this given number 12. Then it is called prime factorization or complete factorization of the given number. Let us factorize 36 in 3 different ways. Now let us factorize 36 in 3 different ways. Now 36 can be factorized as 2 into 18. And again 18 can be factorized as 2 into 9 and 9 can be factorized as 3 into 3. Same way 36 also can be factorized as 3 into 12 and 12 can be factorized as 2 into 6. 6 can be factorized as 2 into 3. And 36 again can be factorized as 9 into 4 and 9 can be factorized as 3 into 3. 4 can be factorized as 2 into 2. Thus, we notice here that in each of the prime factorization, the factors may be arranged differently. What are the prime factors here? 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 in first case. And in the second case, we have 36 equal to 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. And the third case we have 3 into 3 into 2 into 2, that's equal to 36. And here what do we understand? We notice that in each of these prime factorization, the factors may be arranged differently, but in fact they are same. Thus we generalize this result as follows. Every composite number can be factorized into primes in only one way, except for the order of primes. The order may change. The order of the prime numbers may change. The order of the prime factors can be changed. But it will be only one way. The same prime numbers we will get in any way if you factorize a given composite number. I hope you are able to understand. Now, next we have concept of power. Concept of power. For example, we have 2 into 2. Then that can be written as 2 square because 2 twice it is repeated, so it can be written as 2 square and it will be read as 2 raised to the power 2. 2 raised to the power 2. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 cube we can say. Otherwise 2 raised to the power 3. Thus we conclude a into so on m times. Imagine m times. A is repeated and that will be written as a raised to the power m. Next, one example. Give the prime factorization of 1260. 1260. Here we have 1260 is factorized here. The least prime number is 2. If we divide by 2, we have 630. I hope you know to divide. 6 2s are 12. Then again 6 we have, that is 3 2s are 6. And so on. So you can just go through the way it is being factorized and we get 1260 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. And here 2 into 2 can be written as 2 raised to the power 2. 3 into 3 can be written as 3 raised to the power 2 into 5 into 7. And here one more example. 20,570. If we factorize this given number, we get the prime factors 2 into 5 into 11 into 11 into 17. 2 into 5 and 11 is twice repeated, so it can be written as 11 square, that is 11 raised to the power 2 into 17. One more example we have 13,950. So we start with the 5 and thus we get the prime factors of this given number 13,915 as follows. 5 into 11 into 11 into 23. Here again 11 twice it is being repeated, so we can write it as the prime factors of 13,915 will be 5 into 11 raised to the power 2 into 23. So let us conclude prime factorization. To express a given number as a product of prime factors is called prime factorization or complete factorization of the given number. I already explained it through an example. Every composite number can be factorized into primes in only one way, except for the order of primes. Except for the order of primes, PR by mistake being typed. This property is known as unique factorization property. This property is known as unique factorization property. Thank you.